up, guys? Britt Tech here, back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to change the app view from grid to list on Apple Watch. Now I'm going to be demonstrating on Apple Watch 4, but this goes for Apple Watch 6 and below, and possibly future versions of the Apple Watch. So let's get into it. Go ahead and select the side. Now what you want to do is go ahead and navigate to settings, which is right there. Select it and scroll down to app view. Now it's right here. Select. And as you can see, mine is set to grid view. I'm going to switch it to list view. And you can also do this on the Apple Watch app on iPhone. So I'm going to back out of this. And now all of my different applications are in list view. So that's how you do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Listen.